श्री रवंगवरा नारजारी।
धन्यवाद डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, आपने एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय उत्थापन करने के लिए मुझे मौका दिया। सर, my subject is need to include Kokrajhar, the capital Bodoland, in the smart city mission of Government of India. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister of India, the Government of India had launched the smart city mission. This mission has drastically improved cities across India through smart technology, sustainable solutions, and active community involvement. The capital city of Bodoland Territorial Region, Kokrajhar, has been and survived through the vicissitudes of time, unrest, conflicts, and violence in the past. Today, peace is prevailed, and it is the occasion to rebuild the lives, hopes, and dreams of Kokrajhar in peace times. It houses the Bodoland Territorial Council Legislative Assembly Building, the BTC Secretariat, the Bodoland University, Kokrajhar University, the Central Institute of Technology, the Bineshwar Brahma Engineering College, Kokrajhar Medical College and Hospital, the Bodoland Administrative Staff College, a number of colleges, schools, health institutions, and business enterprises and houses. Kokrajhar holds a strategic location as it is the gateway to the northeast India. There is a NTPC to the east and Tulungapuri, the Bodopa Memorial Park at Dotoma to the west. The Rupsi Airport is located at a distance of 20 kilometers to the southwest, and to the north is the upcoming mindfulness city at Gelepu in Bhutan, connected by railway from Kokrajhar. Therefore, sir, I request the government to include the Kokrajhar, the capital of Bodoland, in the smart city mission. This will address long-pending development gap and improve the ease of living, infrastructure for education, health, sports, communication, public safety, recreational facilities, mobility, smart sewage system, and water supply, etc. of Kokrajhar. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद।